Well, do you use every single inch of your home for storage? Our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, found a way to use the space you probably don't even think was possible. Here she is with more.
Hey, it's Vicki Norris of Restoring Order. You know, some of the most wasted and neglected spaces in the home are the hallways. But I'm going to show you how you can gain more space in your home by putting your hallways to work. I'm going to show you how I've converted 2 hallways in my own home. First, the family center. Now, because we homeschool, we needed room for a lot of different kinds of things. We needed room for curriculum and tracking reading progress and a book chart. We needed a room for memorabilia and extracurricular activities. So the first thing that you want to do in terms of commandeering a hallway for better use is understand what it is that you need room for. We needed all of these family systems. The second thing is to put things at eye level. I've got some posters here that the kids look at a lot, and of course all of their progress charts are right here at their level. When you're making use of your hallways, I want you to think about a couple more things. First of all, your furniture has to be really narrow. Now with this little bump out right here, my dear husband Trevor made me this gorgeous piece because he knew I would need a lot of storage for managing the family. So I want you to think about another tip too, and that is what goes above ground on top of your furniture or shelving and what goes in the drawers. Now for us, all of our curriculum is up here, and that's because we needed grab-and-go items, both of the things that we're working on right now and then the workbooks that they still have to pull. So when you are organizing anything, whether it's in your hallway or not, the grab-and-go active items are above ground, but below ground, watch this. This is the artwork that has been completed. This is the writing that has been completed. This is the memorabilia that's just been hanging around. I know you all have lots of memorabilia hanging around your home. And so this is a repository because it's completed and it's below ground. So those are some great strategies for tackling your hallways. Okay, off one side of my kitchen was the family center, and off this side of the kitchen is my kitchen helper nook. You know, I needed extra space, this time for a recycling center and for all the jars and vessels that I use on a daily basis. So I just grabbed this adjacent space to the kitchen, and it has expanded my real estate. All right, in my case, I used hallways off my kitchen. Both my family center and my kitchen helper nook have helped me to optimize space in my home. But maybe you don't have the same needs. Now you can create other unique spaces in hallways in your home. Maybe you can create a mud room for coats and boots and shoes. Heck, maybe you can even carve out a mini office or photo and memorabilia storage. But whatever you do, I hope you are inspired to create more space for living and reclaim your life.
For more on Vicki and Restoring Order, you can head to our website, kptv.com/moregdl.